How to use Google Messages on your computer. Google Messages on Android is one of the greatest and most up-to-date texting services available right now. With this classic messaging app that also supports RCS, you may communicate with ease and convenience. The software has a ton of cool extras, including the option to connect your Google Messages to your desktop. This video will show you how to connect to Google Messages on your PC. If you have a computer and a web browser, you can use Google Messages to communicate with others. You should be aware that Google Messages is not always the default SMS app on all phones. My Galaxy S22 Ultra and other phones, including Google Pixel phones, have the same issue. The same can't be stated for any other mobile device. If you do not already have Google Messages, you can get it from the Play Store. The Google Message website can be accessed from any computer. Right on the address bar messages.google.com. You can download a desktop version or use the web version. I will choose Messages for web. Scan this code with your phone. You can go to your phone on Messages, tap on More Options and select Device Pairing. Tap QR Code Scanner and scan the code on this device. After you scan the QR code, both the website and the Messages app will reload, and your whole inbox will be displayed in your web browser. Now you can use your Google Messages on your computer. Thank you for watching this. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.